Hello and welcome back to Loud Creations. Today's video is a little different. I've been kind of on this everything mead video journey, and I'm also have other interests that I initially started my channel kind of as a way to keep me motivated to learn and do the things that I want to learn and do. And so this video is I've decided I might as well start making custom labels for my mead. So I started this channel doing paintings and just recording my process, just kind of for myself, but I decided, it was an exercise for me to put it out there for other people to see. Not many views on those videos. I mean, there's a lot of art videos out there. What I do, I wouldn't say is super spectacular, but I wanted to share what I was doing and just kind of put myself out there on that level. And then somehow I got here to making mead, and which is kind of what I've been primarily doing for this channel. And so I'm trying to combine these things. Like I have a lot of videos and a lot of paintings that I've done. So I decided that I would start making labels for my mead. I feel like at this point my mead is worthy of a label, at least some of the batches. So I am kind of taking my old paintings, or I plan on doing new paintings going forward. But for this video, I took one of my old paintings, which I made a couple years ago, and I decided to make a label for my Lavender lemon balm mead. The mead was originally just lemon balm. The video for that is right here. I had made 1.5 gallons, and I decided to split it in two, and I added lavender to 3/4 gallon of it. And I got about 5 little beer bottles out of that. So here's a quick little flash of the painting process. If you want to see the whole video, which again, I sped my paintings up. They usually take me about 1.5 hours, and I speed it up to like a 5-minute video. But if you want to see the original video, you can go right there to find it. So I tried to select a painting that I thought might have some sort of relation to the herbs that I put in there, just the picture itself. And since lemon balm is supposed to help relax, it's a nervine, it uplifts your mood, and lavender also is relaxing, calming, has those effects, I picked one of my paintings that I think reflects that. So I'm going to stop babbling. I'm going on and on and on. I'm going to start off with showing you my new label. I'm very excited about it. I went ahead, so I put Loud Creations at the top. Of course, the labels I got are for wine bottles, and this is a small little bottle, so it's a little big for the bottle, but I think it looks wonderful. This is an exciting new adventure for me, making labels. Well, I take that back. I used a template to do labels when I made plum wine a long time ago, but that was the only time, and they weren't my art. So there it is. Very excited. I'll go ahead and do a tasting of this too while I'm here. Let's see, we started this in July. Okay, so it's only about 3 months in, and this is Lavender Lemon Balm. Okay, so I'm just gonna have a little bit. It's early in the day, don't want to go crazy, but let's look at that. Well, it is mostly clear. There's a slight haze to it. Beautiful color. Yeah, I just love it. It's like a apricot color almost. And right off the bat, I can smell the lavender, which I love. I'm a big fan of lavender. In fact, I'm pretty sure I need to just make big batches of lavender mead. But anyway, I'm rambling. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. Oh, that is so good. And I can't remember, I must have put lemon in here. It has it's very sweet. So I back sweetened it a little bit, and I added, I think, like a 1/4 cup of lavender into secondary and left that there for a few days and then racked it again. So this was initially just made with lemon balm tea. I don't really, maybe that's the lemon that I'm getting actually. Yeah, it's on the sweet end. I might, I'd probably put a little bit less honey next time, just because I know as it ages, that might pop out more. But as it is right now, I could just drink this. This is, I'd say, one of my best meads that I've made. It really turned out well. So perfect. Good to have a label. Yay. Yeah, if you're interested in making that mead, I pointed to the link earlier. Yeah, it's smooth. It, you know, definitely, you can tell there's alcohol in there. I put this at 11%. It was between 11 and 12%. But on the label, I put 11%. Nothing bad to say about this. I wish I had made more. Maybe I'll make this into a 5-gallon recipe. Anyway, if you're interested in seeing the process for how this label was made, I did record it. My husband has been helping me learn more about Photoshop. He helped me quite a bit on this label on the technical end of using Photoshop, and I'm hoping as I do it, as with thumbnails and everything else, I learn more and more about Photoshop, which is also great because I'm taking my painting and cutting it out and then embellishing on it, and I think it's really fun. So I also recorded most of that process, which I will play out with some music here if you want to watch it. I hope this video is useful, and I will see you next time. Thank you.